Hello, welcome, what's up guys? I am Rabbit and in this tutorial I will show you cheats to the Far Cry 6. As you can see, it is Far Cry, and what you need to do is to have program Wiimote, which you have in the description. I will show you that it's working. Okay, it is Far Cry. Options, credits. Yep. Okay, and I will show you program and cheats which are available in this game. Okay, it is Wiimote. To turn on these cheats, you need to write Far Cry. Here, choice Far Cry 6, and later you click on the playing, and here you have option like unlimited health, unlimited stamina, unlimited ammo, grenades, no reload, super accuracy, no recoil, super no overheat, super no cooldown. Okay, alt sets player speed. Okay, I will show you this. I will show you nice jumping. Every cheat I will show you. Okay, control. Yes. Okay, unlimited money. Okay, unlimited materials. Okay, as you can see, I turn on many cheats. Many. Machine gun, unlimited breath, unlimited oxygen, ignore crafting requirements, unlimited auto, and also I will show you set player speed and set jump height. Now, look, I only turn on a level. We must waiting. Okay.
What was that? Where am I?
Dad?
Lakshmana? Is that you?
What's wrong? You seem tired or hurt. I mean, look for yourself.
As you can see, I have unlimited skills.
Here. This will make you feel better.
And I don't know how to healing in this stupid game, so I may only show you my speed. Okay. Now, as you can see, and everyone cheats that's working. But I have this serious problem with healing myself, so I will not show you nothing more, because I don't know how to heal myself. I first time, oh, okay, this time play in this game, so that's all. So thanks for watching. You may like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time.